Hi class, I wanted to take a minute and talk to you about the About Me project that you guys are going to be doing this week. You guys are going to be creating a bulletin board telling me and the classmates about you. First, I'm going to, this is an example of my slide. I would like you guys to first type your name or initials, or I guess your name, in one of these boxes. The reason that I'm doing that is because I would like you to make sure that you are agreeing to these things to keep it school appropriate. The second slide is very, very small font of directions, okay? I did have to zoom it in to read it myself, but it was better than splitting it to multiple slides. This is an example of my slide about me. You'll create an avatar to put here. I'd prefer you to create an avatar than to put your photo. Okay, we can see each other in our video sources when we're chatting, but for this, let's do an avatar. An example of how to make an avatar, there's two different site links that are posted right here. Here's one, and here's one. I thought these were really nice ways to create yourself. Here's one. I thought this was interesting. You can like change the face, so kind of a little bit more dramatic and cartoonish. You could even go down to like changing the hair. I mean, it's just super fun. So you can just have a little bit more fun in creating different characters. And then you would save it as a download, and it goes into your computer as a download. So then I save it, or you could probably get it from your download, but I then save it to my Google Drive and I pull it from there, okay? Here's another example of an avatar. This is the one that I used. And for this avatar, I had started it. I meant to put a pattern in the background, and I'll show you why I should have done that in just a minute. After I'm done creating my avatar, I can download it, and I downloaded it as a PNG file. I'm not sure what vector, if maybe I did a vector file. I honestly can't remember. So you'll download it to your computer once again. And to me, I ended up just downloading it to my folder on my desktop. And so then I put it right in here. So what I had done was I went to Image. I'd inserted an image. Let me see if I can go up here. It's actually right over here. It's hidden in Image. Upload from my computer. And you can see my avatars here. So I didn't want myself. I wanted an avatar. Okay. So I had downloaded those right to my saved folder where I download my pictures. In the background, you could see the corkboard. So now I know I should have put a solid background behind me like this. I had done none. So if you leave it solid, expect for a corkboard. I then put in here a ticket stub of somewhere I really, really would like to dream ticket stub. I'd really, really love going to the New York Thanksgiving Day Parade. A few facts about me, a quote, a boarding pass, a place that I have actually visited that is a very great memory. And then this, I'm hoping it works. I tried it. It's a QR code. I followed the directions over here of how to make a QR code. Make sure that you are putting something appropriate in there. So this should take you to Paris, France. And then a couple of my favorite things. So you guys will create your own slide. This took me about 45 minutes, but I was really doing a lot of experimenting with it. I probably could have got it done in about 30, but like I said, I was kind of having fun learning how to make different avatars and experimenting. You guys will create your own. What I would like you guys to do is use one of these student templates, save it as your own. So right over here, I'm going to move this over, I think, maybe. I don't know if I can move my screen. There we go. So File, make a copy of just the selected slide. And then you'll type it into your name and then put it into your Google Drive, your folder that you just made for this class. After that, you can go edit your slide. When you are finished with that, you will obviously see a whole bunch of these slides. I put lots in there because I want everybody to be able to have one. So just copy, save it. And then after that, you guys are going to be submitting that into Schoology. Right here. And I'm hoping that this will allow us to build multiple media albums. So let's try this out. I had saved my image. Let me show you one more time. I did not do this right. So I attached my file. I'm going to add my media. And there it is. So that you know how to do that part, I'm going to go back to my slide. And I am going to move that screen over. I'm going to hit download current slide as a JPEG. Okay, so when I clicked that, that then put it in my folder as just that one slide as a JPEG, so that then I could upload it here. And eventually we will see everyone's slide. You guys then have the assignment to comment on 3 slides. You can only comment on a slide that has been commented on no more than 3 times. So you guys will need to make sure that you are making a comment on maybe a new one. If there's already 3 comments and you need to go to a new one, make a comment. I hope that this helps, and if you have any questions, please post that in the Q&A section of our class.